Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to give you the rest explanation of the poem The Shade from class 7th. I hope you will be listening to me very attentively. So far, we have discussed that the boy gets afraid reaching the shade because he thinks that somebody is there and he is a ghost anyhow and anytime he will certainly come out and just jump upon me, right? So now let's get continued with the rest part. My brother says there is a ghost in the shade. My brother, whenever he meets me, he makes me afraid by saying so that there is a ghost in the shade. You are not supposed to go over there, do not go over there, right? Who hides under the rotten floorboards? My brother says that the ghost actually has hidden himself under the rotten floorboards. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. My brother says to me that in case in future when I reach over there and I dare to set my foot inside the shade, the ghost will certainly come out and jump upon me and cut my head. This is something said by my brother. He makes me afraid by saying so that means I may not be going there. Actually, he doesn't want me to go there. That is why he is making me scared. But I will take a peep one day. But I have decided the day is not far. The day will certainly come when I'll be going there, when I'll be facing that ghost. I will certainly go there one day. I know that there is not really a ghost. I strongly know that there is no ghost. And this is something, my brother makes me scared by saying so. He does not want me to go over there. Actually, he wants to have his own secret place. My brother tells lie to keep the shade for his den. With the help of this line, I come to know the boy says that his brother says to him, right? His brother, tells a lie. उसका जो भाई वो झूठ बोलता है. And why does he tell a lie? Because he wants to have it his own property, his own secret place. That is why he says so. There is not anyone stirring or making strange noises. As I believe strongly that nobody is there, no ghost is there who will be stirring or making such noises. And the spider has been gone from his web. And I believe that means there would have been a spider, and that too has gone somewhere else. It is also not there. The spider is also not there in the shade. That has gone. Since I do not know when. But means I have decided I will certainly go there, but I do not know when it is. In the last of the poem, the poet has described, the poet has composed, I'll go into that shade one day soon, but not just yet. In the last of the poem, the boy says that means I have decided, I am very much intended that I would certainly go there one day, but means not today, not this time. So, my dear students, this is all about the explanation of this poem. I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.